Good morning friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So we are here again with another mouth-watering recipe, and today we are making a quick breakfast recipe which is one of my favorite. It's made of semolina and you can put as much veggies in it according to your own taste and choice. So come on, let's see the video, and do not forget to put a lovely comment over there. So come on, let's see. So friends, today we are making quick breakfast recipe. For that we have taken 1 cup suji or semolina. This is 1 chopped small cut onions. Then this is coriander leaves. These are peanuts. We will roast them. Some peas, carrots, capsicum and 1 lemon. So we have taken the semolina and we will roast it for a few minutes. We don't have to put any oil, nothing. We will dry roast it for a few minutes. So friends, it has started turning a little brown. Now we will switch off the gas and take it out. So in the same pan, we'll take a small portion of oil. And then we will roast our peanuts. In Upma, peanuts look very tasty. See friends, peanuts have turned red. Now we will switch off the gas and take out the peanuts. So friends, in the same pan we'll take a small portion of mustard seeds. Then we'll take some curry leaves. Mustard seeds have started popping out. Now we'll put onion. So friends, now we will add carrots. Then we'll add some peas and capsicum. We don't have to cook them for a longer period of time. Just for a few seconds we will cook them. And now we will add salt. You can add according to your taste. Then we will add some chaat masala. And we'll add some black pepper. Okay. So you can put vegetables according to your taste. And now we'll add water to it. We'll take same amount of water as we have taken the semolina. See, water has started boiling. Now we will add our semolina to it. Keep on stirring it. We'll add our roasted peanuts also. Keep on stirring unless it becomes thick. So friends, it has started turning thick. We will cook it for some more time. It has started leaving the sides of the pan. So friends, this is ready, and now we will add some coriander leaves to it. Now we'll add some sprinkle lemon juice. And last is we will cover it for some time. Okay. Keep it for 5 minutes. So friends, our upma is ready. Now we will dish it out. So friends, you see it's such an amazing recipe which can be made within minutes, and you can use as many veggies as you want. So tell me in the comment section how you find our video, and next time we'll bring some more amazing recipes. Up till then, goodbye, take care, and love to you all.